Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing good. All right. So right now we are waiting for the gold give us some trades. All right. So let's see if we can get some good trades here. I hope so. We might see some shorts or after this the break of 43.08. So this might be a very good chance for a buy position. So let's see how that goes. I'm still waiting for it. We haven't got any good confirmation. The 30-minute time frame, or the 30-minute time, uh, the 15-minute, the 15-minute close is bullish. Now here is the issue. We might continue pushing up. Let's see how much pips we are looking for. Almost like 45 pips. That's huge. We need a candle closes and our stop loss. Where you put the stop loss? Let's say if it breaks its own high and our stop loss is somewhere around 20 pips, then we can risk 20 pips and go for the 44 pips. Otherwise, we're gonna wait for some other confirmations. Yet, I think it's gonna be a very good trade. Let's see how that goes. All right, so we have activated a buy position, but the risk is huge. Risk is huge, but we're gonna take that risk for you guys. I'm risking almost like 1-to-1 risk to rewards here. $1,700 I'm risking in here in this trade. So I'm just aiming for $2,000, but I'm gonna manage the risk accordingly and book the profits accordingly. Let's see how that goes, and we might move our stop loss below the current 15-minute candles low. But let's see how that goes. But gold is currently a huge volatile. It's tremendously volatile right now. Small candles are like 100 pips. The 1 minute time frame candles are like 100 pips, 200 pips. So we might be careful. We have to be careful. All right, let's see. Hopefully we close in the profit. Hopefully we're gonna close into the profits. We're gonna book some profits in here. We are going to book some profits in here. If not, we're gonna manage the risk accordingly. The risk is huge. I think I need to position close partials. I will close partials in here. Okay, so 0.25 is gonna be my, I'm gonna close half of the position, so I don't risk a lot. The 1700 is a lot at this point because the gold is in a huge volatility. So let's go on this. Let's see how that goes, and if we book some profits or manages the risk. Oh, hello Alex, how are you doing, bro? Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing good. All right, we are in the 20 pips. Oh, all right, the 40 pips in the profit. Yeah, I should book some position. I should book some position because $1,700 is a lot of, and we should not risk that much in any trade. But this is a 1-to-1 risk to reward based on 15-minute time frame. So for the explanations, keep following. And all right, I'm gonna close 50% in here. 50% of this trade is closed, so my risk right now, instead of 1700, it's only 900, and my take profit is 1000. So almost 1-to-1 risk to rewards, right? So we keep managing the risk, we keep booking the profits upside. Yeah, I closed 50%, brother. I closed 50%. I don't want to risk that much because the volatility is crazy right now. In this situation, there's some fundamental situations behind that. We're gonna explain how the shit works fundamentally, but that thing is gonna be launching soon. That thing for the fundamental analysis is gonna be launching soon, so keep in touch, guys. All right, the price is moving right now. The price is moving right now. Let me put, because a lot of guys are, all right, so this is my take profit, this is my stop loss. It's almost like 1-to-1 risk to reward. Let's see. See, only small move is like, damn, it's too big. I'm gonna book at least 1 or 2% of my account. That's it. That is $200, $250. That's it. This is what I'm seeking right here. All right. Let's see. Let's see how that goes. It's still going on. I'm gonna let it be running. The problem I'm looking at is only on the 30 minute look. Now we are hyper bearish on gold, hyper bearish, and we are against the trend at this trade on 15-minute time frame. Okay, the previous 30-minute closed very good bearish, retesting these lows, creating support on the 15-minute. All right, like this. So once we close like the 15-minute support, that's a very good chance for a clear range. We had almost like 400 pips range. All right, almost like 400 pips range here. 400, and that's a huge range. That's a huge range. And the only problem is the stop loss. The stop loss is so big. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring my stops of the current 15-minute candle right now, and I'm gonna book some more of the profits is, and I'm gonna close, let's say $15, sorry, 0.15, because I already hit it $300 in the profit. So I'm gonna close the 15 lot here. I'm gonna let the only 10 be running. So I'm gonna bring the stop loss at this point, at the low of the current 15-minute candle. I'm gonna modify it. I'm gonna let it be running. Okay, so if we hit the stop loss, we are going to lose 165 instead of 1700 the last trade we took, and we managed the risk. This is how you manage the risk accordingly in the trades. We were planning for $1,700 for the loss, but right now we are only risking 165, even though we booked some partials. We booked a lot of partials here. Let me see if we can go to the close trades. All right, yeah, we booked almost like $175. Okay, $175 here today. 175, risking only 165. We are in profit. We are $10 in profit. So if that hits our stop loss, we consider it a break even, because we already managed the risk. All right, we already managed the risk. This is how you manage the fucking risk. Great. That's amazing. still got 1 minute for current 15-minute time frame or 15-minute candle to close. Still we are in profit. We are in profit. Let's see how that goes. Let's see how that goes. I'm pretty much sure that it's gonna be coming somewhere around till here. Then it might just pull back. Until then, we're gonna be, putting the stop losses into the break even. So either way, we're gonna make money. Amazing. Great. That's great. I'm still pretty much confident about that. Now, listen, when we put the break evens, once this current 15-minute candles, makes a wick below here without breaking the low of the previous 15-minute candle, and continues up and breaks the high of the previous candle's high, so then we're gonna move our stop loss below the current 15-minute candle's low. It's gonna be a win-win. It is gonna be a win-win. The way it's moving, I'm pretty much sure that it's going to be heading over take profit. Alright guys, so we are breaking the high of the previous candles, and we are in a very good profit. So what I'm gonna do is, currently I'm gonna make sure that we are break even right now. Alright, I'm gonna put my stops to the break even. Okay, I'm gonna put the stops here. Now either ways, we are in profit. We are in profit. Remember, we are in a very good profit. Basically, what happens for, let me explain this trade again. On 15-minute time frame, we had a very good support created. On 30-minute time frame, that the low volume 30-minute candle have just closed. Okay, that's a low volume candle. Once it's just rejected and closed above the previous bullish candle's lows high, the closure point, then it shows that it's a low confirmation bearish candle. While on the 15-minute, we created the confirmation of a support, okay, and we broke above the high of the previous candles, previous 15-minute candles high, and there's a very huge chances for the price to continue pushing up and fill this range, because we have a clean range from the left hand side of the 400 pips, and we put it our stops in the break-in right now, because the higher we move, the trail of the stops continues, right? So this is how you just manage the risk. At the same point, you book the profits. We already closed the partial positions and we secured almost like the $175 profit officially. Okay, whoever in this live stream took the profits and the same trade I took, congrats, and stay happy with those profits. Spend it right. It's coming back, breaking the low of its own. So if we hit it our basically the break even, but we made some good profits. We made some good profits today. We made $7,500 here, $14 here. These are the partial close-ups, and finally we are out of this trade. It might continue pushing up. We're gonna watch this trade, but we're gonna be anticipating this trade, but not gonna be trading now, because we are hyper bearish on the higher time frames. We are against the trend. This trade was against the trend, and basically we made some profits. That's it, you call it a day. So basically we have made almost like $200, 2% of my account. That's huge. Okay, the consistency and the discipline rewards the trader, and this is how you stay consistent and the discipline with your profits. Okay guys, so right now we're just going to be anticipating this trade, not going to be the trading at all for now, because we already hit it the break even, and the target have not achieved yet, but we closed the profits. That's it. This is how you make the profits. This is how you make the money. All right, it's going to be moving up until to fill this range, but we are not going to trade, and there's a huge chances still to make a resistance here. The next candle should like fall down, and we are not selling until we break below this level. We are not selling until we break below this level, and we are not buying more until we break above and close above this level. Then we have a clean range from left hand side. The data on 15-minute is like $600 pips. Damn, the gold is moving crazy, man. Gold is fucking moving crazy, basically. Yeah, we have the good information on the 30-minute too if we close above this rejection area, but it might be the next candle from the 30-minute to continue without respecting this high, without respecting this rejection, and continues pushing up till like 4,369, something like this. All right. Great. Okay. See, it's still moving, right? It's still moving. There's a volume to push the price up till 4,300. So there's a volume, but let's see until the 30-minute candle is closes bullish, makes a support, and the next one to retest this high, or the same candle continues with the volume, if the volume hits, and right now it's like the pre-New York, it's pre-New York right now, and in pre-New York there's a still huge volume, right? I hope some of guys made the profits from this trade. Might be the next 15-minute candle to continue pushing up harder. So let's see. Let's take a look. Alright guys, I might end the stream at in 5 minutes. In the next 5 minutes I'm gonna end the stream. So because we already booked the profits, and yeah, it will take some time for to close the current 15-minute in 2 minutes. In next 2 minutes I'm gonna see, just want to see that how that moves and how that continues up, and how that gives the confirmation of continuation. If that happens, we're gonna look at it, just anticipating it, not trading at all, because we already booked the profits. Well, if you keep joining the stream like this, and if you're willing to, like, you just come online and hit it every single day, the profits. Okay. In the meantime, let's take a look at the oil, the US oil, on 4 hour. It's pretty much bullish yet. It's having a problem to cross the $100 per barrel. So if that crosses that and broke above the 101, then definitely we're gonna retesting the highest point again, the 130. Until then, I'm just holding it. I'm just holding these trades yet. The trades on the US oil. Okay, I've been sharing in my the channel since a while now. It's been a while. I'm holding it. All right, so the new 30-minute candle have just closed, have opened, just making its lower wick to continue pushing up. Let's see. Let's see if it just breaks its own high, and then there's a confirmation for continuation upside. I'm gonna be streaming for next 5 minutes to check out that how this 30-minute goes on. There's a high probability for this current 30-minute candle to continue pushing up. There's a high probability yet. If that breaks its own high, then definitely you should take a buy here, all right, with the stop loss of almost like 80 pips and the take profit of somewhere around 160 pips, 1 to 2 risk to reward. So basically we are up 4%, 4.6% on this account. All right, we are up 4.6% on this account. I'm using the leverage is huge, but this is Xmas. Can't complain. So we are up 4.6% on this account, and hopefully we continue growing on this account. So more coming days, we're gonna trade live on this account only. Okay, so guys, keep yourself updated. All right, so I'm gonna end the stream in next 1 minute. If you guys have any questions, you can ask in the chat, so we can answer them. And gonna end this stream. Okay, guys, have a good day. And this is just a Monday. Don't overtrade, don't over risk on this. All right, so same opportunities happen every single day. We are here to catch it live, transparently, and more importantly, together. So whoever is willing to trade live together, so feel free to join our, the channel, the Telegram channel. Link is in the bio. And take care. Have a good day. Bye bye.